And today we're gonna try Russian green tea chocolate. I got this at a local German store. It's a really nice place. I would have advertised, but I forgot the name. This is what it looks like. It has like little bubbles on the top. It's green inside. That's always a good sign. I can't tell if it's spoiled or not. It's really good, actually. You don't really taste any green tea. It's mostly just chocolate.
Your lid's kind of blue.
Really good. Hey, so
I worked last night and I called.
it's really good, actually.
Sure.
She walked out with 2 cartons full of sugar. And I was walking out when she was walking out. And
Person in the hentai hoodie is Thomas.
Yeah, I just
Say hi, Thomas.
She looked at me
He's
and I took
supported
my
by the
jacket
European
and I, like,
Union.
slid it to the side so she could see that
All right,
was
I would give this.
And she was like,
Oh, this is Will. Meet Will.
Your announcements are coming on.
Okay, that's all we have. Chocolate is amazing. Like and subscribe. Thank you.